Hello traders, welcome to our channel Neo Markets. In this video, I will be sharing how live signals provided by our scalping indicator can be used for trading. Scalping indicator that we use in live signals is based on the intraday scalping strategy that we had shared in earlier video. Via indicator, we have tried to make strategy more objective for the ease of traders. Currently, we do live streaming of signals for Nifty Index and ETH crypto coin. We will try to add Bank Nifty Index and Bitcoin or Binance Coin in the streaming soon. The amazing thing about this signal is that it captures really big moves and provides very clear trailing of profits. We have captured up to 1:12 risk reward moves. Via these signals, we give small stop losses and take really big profits. We can end up in very good profit even if we capture one big move and take small losses in a day. We can increase trading efficiency if we do good trade management. Based on our experience, we will be sharing some good tips for using this indicator. Now, let's look at indicator components. The strategy provides very clear buy signals and sell signals. Also, stop loss lines for sell signal and stop loss line for buy signal. Also, there is notification sound for your attention when new buy or sell signal appears. Now let's look at how to take trades. Let's take example of sell trade. When a new signal appears like here, we take short entry on close of the signal candle. We can keep initial stop loss at the SL line, which is depicted here. If you are experienced trader and know a bit of price action, then you can increase efficiency by keeping smallest SL, which is technical. You can choose either of SL line or the candle high or low or swing high or low. You can see example of a big candle here. In this case, you don't need to keep a very big SL. You can actually keep an SL just below the low of the candle. If you're a beginner, then it's always better to use the SL line to avoid any confusion. Now let's look at when to book profits. Profits should be booked when direction reverses and price retraces to SL line. If you are a beginner, then just follow SL line and exit when price closes beyond SL line, as you can see here. Also, you can exit when price touches SL line, which is here, but do this only when there is a decent profit. In the beginning of the trade, price sometimes reverses for SL hunting and then makes the intended move, as you can see here. You will understand this better when you start using signals and you will have better judgment with the experience. Experienced traders don't need to wait for price to reverse till SL line. They can use price action patterns like engulfing, morning or evening star, hammer patterns, M or W patterns to exit early. Like here. Now this is an evening star, so one can make an early exit. Here, this is an M pattern, and you can make an early exit here. For beginners, just follow the SL line. One can maximize profit if risk and trade is managed well. So let me share some good practice based on our experience. So first is risk management. Take the trades in the direction of main trend and avoid taking counter trend trades. Reduce position size to half or quarter when taking counter trend trades. Take trades in high probable areas like day high, day low, major pivots, major support resistances, because then there is a chance of big move. When you are taking a trade, you should know your risks. So you should always calculate a proper position size. We have given you the formula to calculate the position size. Trade management. One of the key An important part of trading is how you manage your trade. So, to maximize the gains, we have come up with some of the tips based on our experience. The first thing is that once 1:1 target is achieved, then move stop loss to cost price. You should never lose money once you have come to profit. Book partial profit when 1:1 target is achieved. In trending market, book one third of the quantity at 1:1 target, one third of the quantity at 1:2 target, and trail the rest of the quantity. In ranging market, book all quantity when profit of 1:1 is achieved. In trending market, book all quantity near major or support resistances. So like this, you can minimize even the stop losses. Now let's look at some of the best practices. Avoid taking trades when market is ranging, especially after big move. So you should wait for a couple of minutes to hours after big move. It depends upon the intensity of the move. In ranging market, wait for maximum compression to happen. So experienced traders, they know well they can use either the Bollinger Band compression or the triangle pattern to form, because there will be a lot of SL hunting till the breakout happens. So you should wait for maximum compression to happen. Do not take trades if entry candle is too big. Wait for price to retrace to half of the entry candle to enter. So this we have seen many a times, that after a big candle, there's a profit booking and then usually the trend resumes. So in that case, don't just jump in and wait for price to revert to half. Do not increase position size after making big profit, and do not take trades when there is an ongoing news and event, because technicals do not work. So technical stop losses will have no meaning. So avoid taking trades. Now let's look at potential of this strategy. This is example of one day. As this is scalping strategy, we have more trades. If all trades are taken, then return would be 9R, which means if you are taking a risk of 1 unit capital per trade, then by the end of the day, you will have gains of 9 unit. In terms of percentage, if you take risk of 2% of your capital, then you would have gained 18%. Also, let me show you example of trending moves. You can see that this strategy is capable of capturing as big as 12 hours move. Please backtest by watching live videos and also do paper trading before start using it for better conviction. Hope you have full understanding of how to take trades with live signals. You can comment during live videos if you need to know more. We will respond. Please keep tuned to our channel by turning on notifications for more profitable strategies and educational videos. Thank you.